everybody, and welcome back once to our channel again. Today I have decided to make a little dish. One of my friends, they had gone for hunting and they hunted some wild meat and they brought the stuff. So let's say I'm going to try and cook it today, but I'm not going to make it on the gas. I've arranged something little raw and देसी स्टाइल है ना. तो देखो अब कैसे चलता है सब कुछ, कैसे बनाते हैं उसको, एंड बाकी लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट. आई हैव नॉट डन एनी प्रिपरेशंस एंड ऑल, यू नो, पीपल प्रिपेयर देयर स्टफ बिफोर. सो मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है, तो मैंने बस सिर्फ आई हैव जस्ट मेड अ लिटिल बिट. आई टुक द मीट एंड आई प्रेशराइज्ड इट. ठीक है, हु इज़ गोइंग टू सी ऑल द मीट गेटिंग प्रेशराइज्ड एंड ऑल, है ना, बोरिंग. तो इससे अच्छा है आई हैव जस्ट टेकन द मीट, उसको थोड़ा प्रेशराइज़ किया, उसके अंदर थोड़ा दालचीनी, सॉल्ट, पेपर एंड और क्या था, इलायची एंड हाँ अबाउट दैट मच, इतना कुछ. ये थोड़ा बहुत ये डाला, हाँ तेज पत्ता डाला है. वाइल्ड मीट यूजली टेक्स टाइम टू कुक, सो इट्स बेटर यू प्रेशराइज इट फर्स्ट. Put it all inside. I don't bother for all this thing. Oh, साफ सफाई होनी चाहिए. Oh, all this and that. अरे just make it the way you feel and let others see how it gets ready. इसको थोड़ा सा ना, थोड़ा सा खुला रखो. यहाँ पे आग जल रही है, जल तो रही है. And moreover, when you cook it like this, na, garam garam hai. Moreover, when you cook like this, then the flavor comes different. But when you cook it on a gas, then you don't get that little nice, you know, pindu wala type flavor. इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे से आग लगाएंगे. Ginger, garlic. Yes. Oh, don't waste all this. Yes. A little bit of this. Get that nice texture. Now the onion will not burn and that nice Batti flavor comes na, then you feel better. हाँ इधर ही रख दे बस बस बस. We shall put, remember these chilies. Oh. Cook them. Little bit of ghee. This is a little meat masala. Haldi. I don't like my meat to be very yellow. And red. Yes. Little bit of. What is that? Bhuna jeera. And little dhania powder. Wait, hold on. Dhania powder. Little bit of garam masala. The texture is come and there's a nice fragrance that is coming. Sometimes it becomes a little bit challenging because there's nobody interested in helping me, and my guy worker, he's gone. Oh, look at this. It's time to put the meat inside. So now there's a little boil come in this, and what I'm going to do is I think I should add a little more water and let it cook. What are you doing here? Today you had a nice bath. I have to brush you now. Huh, Jojo? Yeah? You want anything? Do you want anything? This time I've made it a little bit hard so that when you even like if you dry it up, it'll taste nice. Little bit gravy I've left in it, but it's nice. It's come out nice. The textures come out nice. I'll show you. Wait. Here, this is the texture. I'll show you. Here. See here. No fat at all. Yeah. So I made only about 5 to 700 grams just to see. I tried a different recipe and it's come out well. Now I'll just let it be here for a little while.